Hi everyone. So I have a very important announcement to make, which I haven't made for a very long time. Rising Phoenix and myself are very proud to introduce to you psychic healing and chakra activation. What is psychic healing and what is chakra activation? Psychic healing is a process of going through a healing session, which is a very, very in depth healing session. A lot of healers are able to heal you, but this is also doing like an MRI scan on you, like a psychic reading. It's also it's a healing plus a sort of like a reading process. The healer will give you information about which chakra of yours is blocked, cords from certain people. They will specifically cut your cords with certain individuals. They will talk about the condition of your chakras, what chakra is blocked, how does it look, what is the state of each one of your chakras, and sometimes even why is something blocked in a certain way. They also clear it out in the healing session. So it's an MRI scan, and it's sort of like a treatment session where you get your chakras cleaned, energized, and at the end of it activated. Each one of our healing sessions is done with a separate instrument, not just our hands but also an instrument, an aided instrument. And I'm very, very proud to announce Prathana, who does psychic healing and chakra activation for Rising Phoenix. She is brilliant. She has done healing for me, and every single person she's done healing for, they have come back with mind-blowing feedback. You can check some of the testimonials that I will soon post, screenshots of real people who have seen magical results. Additionally, Prathana also does cord cutting. She does a session which is called cutting of cords, where she will cut cords in general with all the people that you're going through stuff. She works with angels. She's extremely clairvoyant, and she will shock you and tell you stuff about yourself. It's a very good interactive feedback session as well. You're going to love the cord cutting session or the psychic healing. So let me tell you, the cord cutting session is just like a small little, it's like a taster or the tip of the iceberg. Really, the larger session is the psychic healing, the chakra activation, and it includes everything, the whole buffet. So get a psychic healing done from Prathana. She's brilliant. She's awesome. And she's brilliant with tarot as well. She's not just a tarot card reader. She also will be doing psychic reading at Rising Phoenix, because she's worked on her spiritual journey. She's able to tell you stuff that no one perhaps knows. So get a healing done, get a psychic healing done. You can get a separate psychic reading done with Prathana, or you can just get a cord cutting session. Just figure out whatever resonates with you and whatever calls you. Prathana is brilliant, and she has this really comforting energy about her. I don't just promote people just like that. You have to be really, you have to be bloody good at what you do for you to sort of like shock me. And another interesting thing that happens is when I'm actually doing healing, and there was one time Prathana was kind of observing my energy, and she says that, ma'am, you're doing, I can see sort of white light going into you, or I can see golden energy. And that particular day I was working with that level of energy. So every time I do fifth dimensional healing, I'm working with a different kind of energy. So, one particular day when I'm working with that golden energy, she tells me that I can see golden energy. Unbelievable, okay? It's one thing to have a good grip on healing and all of that, but she's also extremely clairvoyant. You'll actually love her session. So go ahead and try your session with Prathana. Ping her on, DM her on the group, or you can just go to tarot.sheila.com and you will find Prathana and you can book a session with her.